welcome to my channel. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so let's just get right into this beat. Now we're using foundation base from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, and we're going to use our crayon case blending brush to pack that down, just like so. Don't mind me, your girl just got her hair did, so you know, I think I'm looking cute or whatever. So back into this palette. This is the Jamrock palette, and it's the matte palette from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this purple shade right here. Yes, look at these beautiful colors. This color is called Champion. We're gonna go ahead and jump in with that one. Alright, so we're just going to pack it down on the lid. Pack, pack, pack. Alright, so now we're going to go in with this pink shade right here called Raw. And it is so pigmented. Look at that. Alright, so now we're going to go back in with that first shade, purple that we picked up, called Champion. And we're just going to go back in because we don't want our colors to get lost. Girl was having chapped lip issues, so we had to get you right. Alright, so now we are going to just blend out the harsh lines with the colors that we used previously. Okay, so you want to make sure that you just want to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Trust the process. So whatever we do to one eye, you know we got to do to the other. Come on, guys. You see it. You see that blend. This is their makeup eye remover, and I'm just using a pointed brush to help me get that crease. So right now I'm just using a makeup wipe to take away the excess that was still left on my eye. yeah, just like that. This is the crayon case small cream brush, and I will be dipping this cream brush into the foundation base from Playin In Makeup by Yolondo. I got the little thing that's on my finger from Amazon. To apply any type of eyeshadow or anything onto the base while it's wet, so you just want to pat it down until it dries. Now we're going to take our crayon case blending brush and we're just going to continue to dry that product down. We're going to use the color that we used earlier, that purple color called Champion, and we're just going to place it on the outside of our crease. I kind of went up a little high right there, but that is okay. You can always make corrections when it comes to doing your makeup. Jamrock. This is the Pastel palette from Playin In Makeup by Yolondo, and we're going to go in and we're going to, before we go into this palette, look at these colors, how beautiful. So we're going to use this blue color right here, and we're going to put that on our crease. Go into the FentyBeauty palette. This is the Galaxy palette, and look at these colors. Look at these colors. OMG, it's a whole shimmer palette. Alright, so we're going to use this blue right here. Since we already got a blue, we're going to use this blue. Alright, so we're going to use our finger and we're going to just swatch it up. Alright, so let's get into this Nivea cream. We're gonna put this Nivea face cream all over our face. I just like to do this because I don't like foundation or any other makeup getting into my pores. As you can see, I already have adult acne, and trust me, that is already enough. So now we're going to be using these 3 products. The first one is Juviasplace, that is a concealer. The next one is LA Pro, and that is also a concealer in the shade Fawn. And then we have our MAC foundation. We will be using these 3 products, so let's get into it. So we'll be taking another brush out of the Plan and Makeup by Yolando brush. And this is from the Champagne brush set. And we're just going to use this brush to pack it down under our eyes. This nose, honey. So now we're using the crayon case, and we're going to use their contour palette. We're going to go in with this shade right here. As you can see, that's my favorite shade. I have now hit the 10. So we're just going to go in with that. We're going to use this color right here. We're going to use that for our blush. I forgot to record this part, but we're going to use this for our highlighter. It is from the crayon case and it's called AnGlowLa. matte lip gloss from Bsimone Beauty in the shade Detox. This is the MAC and Aaliyah collection. This is in the shade Brooklyn Born, and it is so pretty. I am in love with how this look came out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.